I have a beautiful English lavender plant that blooms really nicely over the summer, as you can see here. But towards the end of the summer, as flowers start to die, they start to make seed pods. So this year I decided to save those seed pods because they are really fragrant. So at the end of the summer, I cut all these flower stalks and I put them in a brown paper bag upside down and left that brown paper bag indoors for a month. By the end of the month, a lot of seed pods fell at the bottom of the bag, as you can see here. And then I purchased a few fabric bags, small fabric bags of really thin material, so that if I put the seed pods inside, the fragrance can come out of this fabric. And I filled that bag with these seed pods. So now I have, fragrant lavender sachets, which I can use in my closet, in my bedside drawer, in bathrooms, or wherever you want. And this makes a great gift too. So if you have an English lavender plant that blooms nicely, you can collect the seed pods at the end of the summer and make these sachets instead of buying them from the market. So I hope this video was inspirational to you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.